Martongin Thomas at Takati to the Saptong Le Hindi Arem Sang Ang in Hang Mangtumaita. Wisuna itil thoting he Ilo Plana Sota Toti Dingir Muna Ayang Untahi, Patin Zaran it is Popela, Amasatakin Patin Puma. Ilo Tuyang Nisin La Hun ay mang danding chu ay wasap ko pahay ka na theater ta तो अभी नेक्स्ट आइटम के लिए मैं हमारा प्रिंसिपल मैम डॉक्टर सुमित्रा हागजर कुछ एक दो शब्द बोलने के लिए मैं उसको बुलाता हूँ।
थैंक यू बट मेरा हिंदी तो बहुत डिफिशिएंट है सो आई विल स्टिक टू इंग्लिश फॉर टुडे। हार्टी गुड मॉर्निंग टू वन एंड ऑल प्रेजेंट हियर। Respected Superintendent Sir, respected Advisor of Mar Youth Association, R.H. Minglian Mar, the President and Secretary of the Association, all members of the Association, in charge of the blood bank, all the employees of the blood bank, and ladies and gentlemen. So, on this auspicious day of Bihu, I am very privileged to welcome you all to the premises of Diphu Medical College, particularly in the blood bank for a very noble cause. When the Mar Youth Association came to me asking for a date of blood donation drive in the month of April, I readily agreed because blood is such a fluid, such a liquid that it not only saves lives, it saves many lives, it saves critical lives, not only due to bleeding due to gynecological causes, it also saves lives due to bleeding from any road traffic accidents or from chronic illnesses like cancer or children, and the line goes on, the list goes on. And the best thing is that it hardly takes any time. The fluid also is not much, only 300 to 500 milliliter of the entire blood in your body. Now, I would like to tell the donors, maybe you do know it or you may not know it, that this fluid in the body is replenished. So what you are giving is the extra fluid that you are having. Every 72 days, the blood refreshes itself and new cells come into the body. So don't think that you are giving a part of your body fluid which you have become deficient. After 72 days, you will regain that fluid that you have lost. But it is all for a noble cause. So I would like to congratulate you all for coming forward and donating your blood. The donation, the cause of the donation is not known to you. The donors, the recipients are not known to you. The recipients are total strangers to you. You do not know. So that act for me becomes even greater because you are donating blood for someone whom you don't know, who are total strangers to you, but for the benefit of human life. So if you are doing that noble cause, for this noble cause, for me that level of nobility will rise more and more. So on this auspicious day, let me not take much more time, but thank you once again to all the organizers, to the association and to all the members who have come here in spite of it being a state holiday and gracing the occasion. Thank you everyone.
Good morning. Respected Principal Ma'am, Professor Dr. Sumitra Hagse Ma'am, respected Advisor of Mar Youth Association, Secretary, all the beautiful members, I welcome you to Diphu Medical College today on this auspicious day of Bihu. May I speak in Hindi also? हाँ तो बेसिकली ये हमारे लिए खूब अच्छी दिन है कि आप लोग आज ब्लड डोनेशन के लिए आए हैं। ब्लड ऐसे मैम ने ऑलरेडी बोले हैं कि ये लाइफ सेविंग है। तो हम जब ब्लड किसी पेशेंट को देते हैं, पुअर पेशेंट, उनको पता भी नहीं चलता कि उस 1 यूनिट ब्लड ने उसकी लाइफ सेव किया है, वो नहीं जानते। तो हमारे पास आते हैं, सर हमारा आदमी नहीं है किसी का घर पे जो ब्लड दे सके, तो जनरली वी यूज्ड टू गिव, एंड दैट वी यूज्ड टू गिव टू द प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन जो लाइफ थ्रेटनिंग है, इन द बैलेंस ऑफ लाइफ एंड डेथ, they survive. Then we feel the treat, and we also thank that unknown donor who has donated the blood. So I want to really congratulate you all to come up with this great idea on this day. Thank you.
Ai ni lai Dr. Topon Narzari khum amahi hi tuta blood donation came ai thoding le in zoma hi Diphu Medical College and Hospital ting panga atul na ai thodan ding hai you supervise to wania ama khom in health na hang nei TV. आज हमारा बीच में डॉक्टर तपन नर्जरी सर भी है. सर प्लीज स्टैंड अप सो दैट वी कैन गिव यू a good round of applause for you. Good morning to you. Thank you, sir. Soon Dr. Nathaniel Sungte Myangir Peksin. Dr. Nathaniel Sungte, he is one of the executive committee member of Mar Youth Association. He is the coordinator of this blood donation camp on our side. Thank you. To him. Now I would like to invite to R.H. Minglin Mar to take his time.
I think I should say sorry for not being a doctor. I am not much educated. Anyway, I got few offers of conferment of doctorate degrees, but I declined because I don't want to be a doctor. So I am Mr. That's fine. I am glad today I could be here participating in this August program. I'm so excited about this program that I cut short my tour program to Hablong and Silchar yesterday and rushed back so that I will be here along with all of these things. And yeah, I thank our principal, medical superintendent, all the officials of the Mar Youth Association, Diphu, and the members who are available present here today, and other doctors and dignitaries also. Thank you very much for being here today. You say this blood donation, voluntary donation by the HYA Diphu is the outcome, the expression of one of our value culture, which is called Klom Ngaina. Klom Ngaina is a phrase which cannot be translated in any language. If someone say that they can translate in English or Hindi or any other, they are telling at least a bit of lie. It is very difficult to translate. It is not just a selfless service, it is a service rendered even the server will not be recognized in any form. The motive of rendering Klom Ngaina is just Klom Ngaina itself. It is an intrinsic value which is inculcated in our life through our culture. And that is what we are doing today. Of course, I am sorry I could not donate blood by this time. I wasn't allowed by the AIMS doctors around 18 years back. You should no longer donate it. Otherwise, I wish I could. If our doctors here can restore my health to the point that I should be able to donate, I'll be very glad to donate today itself. Today's event may not be the first of its kind here. I am not sure. I don't know myself. Anyway, a proposal has been mooted some 3 years back by the HYA itself. However, we cannot do by that time because of lack of facilities in the civil hospital also, and some other difficult problems are arising there, so we cannot do it. And I am so happy that today we can do it for the first, I think it is for the first time by the HYA, Diphu. And I hope that this being the first time is not the last. Not only that, I hope it is not the last, it will be the beginning of this kind of activity, blood donation camp or other essential services which the HYA can perform for the common man, the poor, the lowest of the low peoples who are here in our midst. And we came to know that not only from Diphu and Long, many patients are now coming, being referred into this college, this hospital, and it is a center of medical attraction and everything, along with medical education and all these things. So I hope that this will be the beginning of service to the humanity community by the HYA. And I hope that even if Madam retire, let us say that those who are in the highest may retire first. All the other officers and doctors may recognize us, remember us, so that they give us more chances to serve the hospital, the medical college, as well as the people in Juraren. So I'm so happy I will be here, and I request you to just give me some injections so that I can donate blood by myself. Thank you very much.
Donor Saika. Okay, altogether we have 39 blood donors today. Okay, now we will have a prayer for the blood donors. And after the prayer, we will start the blood donation camp.
Reaction peding hai kha ayum namuna milawa ngi pekin la from try nai nei sum let's look to the Lord and pray. Let's pray. Mangai tulal pa kan pathin voice soon hi kai ni inaw hai Diphua hai Ithua kan huangin thil tha thodinga siam kan niangin voice soon hin nangin ringna hlutak imin koltir chu kan ringna hlutak lalpa afe jing theina ding chun thisen alo poimwa chong chun voice soon in HYA malang na fe in voice soon Diphu Medical College hitlom ngai kaini nam sunga hospital poimo taka an mangding le mitam tak ringna san him na dinga thisen hlutak imi pek pe thei dinga mi throi na kanai dong hi ro pui kan tilom thu kan ril che lalpa kan pathin Now Paisu Christian kan dam na dinga thisen hlutak alo lung su kang khan chu thisen chun ke ni khom lalpa mi hai ring na san him thei dinga kan thisen lu hai voice sun hin mitam tak ring na san dinga hiang yir muna imei thu hi ro pile lom kan ti lom thu kan ril che ni voice suna hing big taka thisen pedinga ma hungir hai hi an risel na hai kan rit pek nowa mirok chulal pa voice sunin nangma mangai na zar le risel na dam nai mi pek na zara hiang ngir huna I throi na le ya voice sun thisen pedinga anum na hin nangin an risel na hai sim thar pek la an rat na hai nangma na tharin simin Chong chen thisen an pek hun hai khom ing khom boi na har sat na hai tuk lawa chong chen an ni khom mi hing na san him ding ani ti hi in ria lo taka thisen hai pe thei ding in I chang puina imal som na kan ngen che ni voice sun hing lai hun kan mang sung po nangin miom puin mi throi ding in ilung si na kan ngen che kan hun po I hing ro puina ding in kan sul hai ngai dam na le sandam turo puilal pa Isu Krista mingin kanungen che amen.
Actually, Mariut Association was founded with an objective of serving the society. And the main fulcrum of Mariut Association is indulging itself in philanthropic activities. And the main functionary perspective of Mariut Association is altruistic in nature. So, with today's association that we are initiating with Diphu Medical College and Hospital, I hope we would continue and sustain this relationship. And in case in future, if you need any cooperation from our association, please do inform us. We will always be available for working with you.
আজি আমাৰ আমাৰ ইউথ এছ'চিয়েশ্যন নামত কিবা ব্লাড ডোনেশ্যন কেম্প ব্যৱস্থা কৰিছোঁ এই প্ৰগ্ৰামখন আমি বহুত দিনৰ পৰা মানে চেষ্টা কৰি আছিলোঁ কিন্তু কিবা কিবি বেলেগ অসুবিধাৰ কাৰণে কৰিব পৰা নাই যেনিবা এই কৰোণা আহিছিলে মাজত সেইকাৰণে আজি মানে এই অপৰচুনিটি পাইছোঁ আমি ধন্যবাদ দিছোঁ আমাৰ প্ৰিন্সিপাল আৰু ছুপাৰিণ্টেণ্ডেণ্ট ডিফু মেডিকেল কলেজ এণ্ড হস্পিটেল আৰু আজি ব্লাড ডোনাৰ মানে এইখন ডোনাৰবিলাক আমাৰ ইউথ এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ পৰা এক্টিভ মেম্বাৰ পৰা আছে মানে টোটেল 39 মান আছে কিন্তু আজি অকল 20 মানহে দিছে 25 জনে দিছে তাৰমানে আকৌ জুন মাহত আকৌ মানে যিমান বাচি গ'ল সেইজনে দিব আৰু আজি এই কি ব্লাড ডোনেশ্যন কেম্পটো কিহৰ কাৰণে মানে কৰিছোঁ আমি মানে আমাৰ এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ মটো হ'ল গুড ডিডছ এটিকেট আৰু সেলফলেছনেছ বুলি এইটো তিনিটা আমাৰ এছ'চিয়েশ্যনৰ এটা প্ৰিন্সিপাল আছে আৰু সেইটোৰ মাজত মানে আমি আমাৰ কি ব্লাড ডোনেট কৰাৰ কাৰণে মানে যিমান বেমাৰৰ কাৰণে মানে যদি আমি আমাৰ খিনিৰ পৰা কিবা সহায় পাৰিব বুলি ভাবি কিনে আমিও যিমান পাৰোঁ এইটো ব্লাড ডোনেট কৰিছোঁ আৰু আজি আমাৰ ছেশ্যনত শুনিছোঁ আমাৰ প্ৰিন্সিপাল মেডামৰ পৰা যে কি ব্লাড ডোনেট কৰিলে মানুহৰ হেল্থৰ কাৰণে বহুত ভাল বোলে সেইকাৰণে চবক দৰ্শকক আমি অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ কি আপোনালোকেও যদি পাৰে ব্লাড ডোনেট কৰি থাকিবলৈ মানে আমিও অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ থেংক ইউ